I get a lot of women contacting me, wanting me to give them a referral to somebody that can work on them for a yoni massage and sexual healing. And I can't give them a referral. Most people I know do not practice in a way that is in alignment with what I desire to refer. So they don't necessarily keep boundaries. They don't necessarily keep it as a space of complete safety, and they have a goal in mind and stuff like this. So I've created the Yoni Massage online course. It's already pre-recorded. Yes, it's for couples, but it's also for women to work on themselves, because guess what? You can't always trust another practitioner. You don't always have the time to drive to it or fly to a practitioner across the country or in another state or another city, but you can practice on yourself. And so many women are like, oh, I can't afford it. I can't go there. I can't this. Who can I trust? And it's like, we can do our own healing on ourselves. And that's what's so beautiful, because nobody's healing us. We are healing. If we have a practitioner there, they are actually holding the space for us to heal. We are still doing the healing. Like, I've had practitioners that worked on me and I'm like, nothing happened. And their heart wasn't open, or they had a goal in mind or something like this, or breaking a boundary, or being completely clueless of what to be doing, and me having to talk them through it. And it's like, so guess what? This video, this pre-recorded video will teach you how to actually do a yoni massage. No, it's not somebody doing it to themselves, but you take the video and you take it and you do it to yourself. And what's amazing is you'll start getting in tune to this really beautiful place inside of you that says, oh, here, oh, now I'm breathing there, and I can open there, and I can make a sound there, and you start realizing what you need to do in order to release that, or go into deeper pleasure there, or maybe you need to go a little faster or a little slower, or you need to pause, and you start listening and getting to know your body this way, women, and it's so beautiful. And then when a partner comes into your life, you can teach them how to do it for you and to you. It's awesome. And so I just want to let you know, you don't need a partner to do this work. You don't need to pay somebody unless you want to, because there is something beautiful about somebody else holding the space, as long as you can trust them. And this is beautiful to do in union with a partner, and it's beautiful to do with ourselves for ourselves. So just, I would say, invite you to do both. If you have a partner you can trust, do it with them. If you can do it alone, do it by yourself as well. It's like a win-win. It's beautiful. Blossoming. Ciao. My name is Heather A. Dawn. My business is The Ecstatic Body. I would love to hear from you. If you have any questions, put them below. Please like this. Sending you lots of love. Ciao.